dollars make a difference at a local level? I'm Jill Horner. This is Comcast Newsmakers. With me is Al Rundle. He is the campaign chair for the United Way of Chester County. Thanks so much for being with us, Al. Good to see you.
Thank you, Jill.
When we talk about how the United Way works, there are national initiatives, but our dollars, you say, can make a major difference right here at a local level.
That's true. The three primary areas that the United Way focuses on of education, income, and health support agencies locally that know what's happening in the community and assist our neighbors in need.
Now, let's focus on these different agencies. You say there are more than 50 partner agencies that really have their finger on the pulse of what's happening on a very grassroots level within the county. But give us an idea as to what these different agencies include. They focus on these areas, these national initiatives, but you say they really make a very big difference in the lives of people throughout the county.
Absolutely. They make a difference, a very positive influence on a number of different areas in the population. From children through seniors, from senior centers through after-school programs for children of working parents so that the kids have a place to go that has a constructive environment, or perhaps a protected environment where they're not exposed to the dangers or the temptations that might be facing them otherwise.
Let's focus on how our dollars actually work, because you say they stay locally, but what kind of difference does that make on a regular basis for these member agencies? Okay,
a couple of examples. For local funding also provides fluoride treatment for children to help provide good oral health, to help avoid cavities. It provides inoculations for children. It also provides tax preparation facilities for working adults. Last year in particular, there's an initiative for helping to file income tax returns for folks below the poverty level. And as a result of that, there was a huge return of income to those folks that they wouldn't have had if they hadn't filed their proper income tax forms.
Those are just some examples of how this actually works. But dollars obviously make a difference, but it's not just the big donations. You say every dollar makes a difference.
Oh, absolutely. With the number of people living in Chester County, $2 a month or $2 a payroll aggregates to a huge impact on thousands, tens of thousands of neighbors in need. So it doesn't matter whether it's $2 or $20,000. Every piece of financial support goes toward productive ends.
How do workplace campaigns work? Are you still looking for additional workplaces to get involved?
That's a great question. Many of our strongest supporters are the employers in Chester County who support workplace campaigns. A payroll deduction plan is generally the most easy and the most pain-free way to help support the United Way. Employers don't have to match dollars. It's certainly wonderful if they do, but just to facilitate the ease of contributing, most people want to help others in a time of need, but they want to do it in a way that they know is responsible, in a way that's going to actually help people. A workplace payroll deduction, something supported by the employers, is a great way to help do that.
Beyond dollars, you say there are other ways to get involved.
Absolutely. So many people would like to help others in a time of need, but they may not feel as though they've got the financial wherewithal to do that. You can also make a huge impact by volunteering with the United Way or with one of our partner agencies, helping to do the good work they do, whether it's administrative or moving boxes, or there's so many ways that you can contribute. And beyond that, you can just advocate for the United Way. When you go to the website and see all the many programs that we have and the good results that come from them, it's pretty easy to make a transition to becoming an advocate.
And we just have a short time left, but you say good results. Can we feel confident knowing that our dollars and our efforts are going to organizations that are thoroughly vetted through the United Way?
Oh, absolutely. The United Way has a thorough vetting process where applications are made, and then volunteers from the United Way actually go to the organizations. They analyze the programs, but more importantly, they look at the documented results of those programs to make sure that they're being effective.
Thanks so much for being with us. And we can all make a difference by giving our time and talents through the United Way.
Thank you.
Thanks for being with us. We've been talking with Al Rundle. I'm Jill Horner for Comcast Newsmakers.